In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix McDonald's app not letting you log in. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, give a first restart to your router. Next thing you wanna do is make sure you are using the correct email address and password. If you are unsure about your password, use the forget password option. Enter the email address associated with your account and follow the password reset instructions sent to your inbox. If you originally created your McDonald's account using Google, Facebook, or Apple, make sure you are using the same sign-in method. If you are using Google or Facebook to log in and it's not working, verify that you can successfully sign into that Google or Facebook account separately. Next up, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app. Now if you see the option of update, click on it. In case you are having issues in the app, you can use the web version. So launch your preferred browser, type in McDonald's login, navigate to its official website, and from here you can try to access McDonald's account. So that's it. By following these steps, you will be able to log into your McDonald's account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.